Hello, Q Services, Qwashers, eBay and YouTube. So I've simply got to use a WS202 pump. 201's the same. What my pet hate in the marketplace is to see an unloader screwed directly straight in to the pump head itself. Cheap cast steel water filters going straight into the head. As soon as you see this, you know that this pump has been put together on a cost. No interest, no pride, no passion in what they're putting together. No screw fittings, so they can easily take it in bits or anything like that, or a proper brass wide strain filter. It's just a case of putting together as cheap as they can and make as much money as they can. What we're simply going to do is show you how to do it correctly and sort it out. So to be able to take this out, first of all, what I've got to do is unscrew the bottom one if you want to take the unloader off. Because reason being, what you can't do is get that because they're tapping together. So you've got to loosen this off and then start messing about to be able to get one off without the other. No screw fittings or couplings between to make it easier to fit them, or whichever system you're using. What I'm simply going to do is show you now right quickly how the system really is the best way to be set up. It costs a little bit more money to do it this way, but what we simply do is bolt this fitting up. So as you can see, you've got a thread that thickens up from one side to the other, so it gives you more strength as you're working. So what we'll simply do is screw this in. It then means you can set it all up easily and quickly without struggling, as you'll see in a minute or two, with a coupling in between. So what I've simply done is bolt that up, so that can be screwed on. You're not having to mess about with anything. You can take that on and off quickly and easily. You're not having to take your water filter out below to start putting it on and off on that unloader. Might take up a little bit more room, but that's not about room, it's about quality and where you build yourself up to set it up right in the first place. So what I've simply also done here is set it up on a different angle. We've bolted it up again so it's a stronger fitting, but it's giving you another angle coming out, but it's strong enough. It can be caught with being pulled and dragged about. So that's bolted up yet again with the extra fittings. We can still get our water in and do the same on the water side if we wanted to the feed in. Double feed it as well. We're also going to put a prime and frost valve in. So what I've simply done is also had a prime and frost valve in. So you can protect that pump easily in the frost, but you can prime it up quickly, leave it open, set up so it's all protected. Also don't pull your shoulder out of place when you're trying to start the machine. Same again on the water inlet fitting. Simply bolt that up as well so it's stronger. But you can take it off quickly if you ever need to get it off. We've set the unloader up so it's coming out at a different angle. We're not just chucking it together and putting it together sake, as cheap as possible. So what I've simply done is change the elbow on the water filter as well, made it stronger. Put it coming out the same angle, which will probably help some customers. What it should be doing, this is a 201 pump, so what it should be doing is feeding it to both sides so it's got plenty of water going in, no restrictions and so on. The other thing is when you're doing water tanks, make sure that you get your flow and return in the right place. You're coming out of your tank and returning to the tankless, otherwise you'll cause air cavitation. Thank you very much. Qwashers, Q Services, eBay and YouTube.